Hello everyone, this week I want to show you how to make a tipi tent out of a tarp, a square tarp 3x3 or 4x4, and I will show you how to do it and then how to install it to enjoy it. It's pretty cheap from any type of tarp, type X1, normal tarp, any type of tarp you can just make it. You just need a tarp, 3 pegs and a pole. So I use bamboo because here is full of bamboo, so I just cut a piece of bamboo actually here, and even you can just use your walking stick. For 3x3 you need about 160 centimeter height, and I will install it there to show you how it is. Okay, this is the tarp I had, 3x3. So as you can see, you just need to cut a quarter of your tarp. So from each corner, the 2 corners you choose, come to the center and just cut it. That's what you need, that's it. And then the rest, I will show you how to install it. So as I said, you need 3 pegs and 1 pole. And this one is more than 180 for sure, but I have to cut it to 120. After I adjust the tarp, I can just cut it down and adjust it for the height I need. Okay, definitely I need to make the pole a bit shorter to make it completely fit. And this tarp, which I cut it actually, it was not completely a square. It was 265 by 320. So that's why a little bit is different here. But this is the view of your tarp. I try to adjust it more, but one thing you can do actually, you can just remove one of this one. If you have another peg or something, you can put it here, and then you have a pretty open area inside. Okay, I try to adjust it a bit more and just use a piece of branch to make a peg here, but yeah, pretty good area. The reason it's a bit saggy here is, as I said, the size is not exactly as what I expected when I get the tarp. But if you get in the tarp, make sure you have a proper sizing. So if it was proper sizing, then you can just make another piece of a loop there and just connect it somewhere around here, and it makes a proper way. So you can go inside and you have a proper good area actually. You have a good size here, then you can sleep comfortably, because this 3x3 you have about 150, 160 height. Even in the rain it can help you. The only thing I did after I cut, I used a duct tape to a bit reinforce this area to avoid get here, and same thing for top. Make a loop, so it means even if I have a tripod, I make a tripod, I can just make it hang from tripod, make it much easier and make more room inside. I hope you like it. This is what it is, cheap conversion. I hope you like it. Take care, have a good day, bye.